strings on the beat.
God have mercy upon us.
You know what? You will see the reason why I'm laughing. Watch this video. So don't go yet. Watch this second video. So now you have not seen the difference between Paranran and birthday surprise. The thing is, when you call an agent for birthday surprise, the skilled saxophonist now let you know that I'm getting 30k for this birthday surprise. You're not like 30k for just Paranran, just to come and blow Paranran. You want to collect 30k, okay? You then now go for 5k. The person that will collect 5k from you, then you will have Paranran. You won't have birthday surprise. See, the fact is, it's not easy to be a skilled and professional saxophonist or to be a skilled musician. It takes a lot of time. There are precious moments, rehearsing, going online to research, to check a lot of things. So it's not easy to be a professional saxophonist. When you are paying for your loved ones, when you are paying for a birthday surprise for your loved one, pay for quality sound. Don't because of is it not just to blow Paranran, you are now paying less. Pay for quality. Pay for quality sound. I don't even blame the Paranran guy. I don't blame the Paranran guy. It's the person that are surprising I blame. If you come to my house with that kind of surprise, even me, I will surprise you with alright no chord is here. I will surprise you with alright no chord.